recent settlement for a fallen deputy paved the way for others to receive compensation? A local legal expert believes so. WAFF 48's Matthew King joins us live from the Madison County Courthouse. Matthew, fallen Bibb County Deputy Brad Johnson's family received $1 million from the state of Alabama to settle a lawsuit.
And that was the maximum under law that Governor Ivey's office could send money monetarily to the Johnson family. Huntsville attorney Mark McDaniel says this was the right move by Governor Ivey, and he says this actually could set a precedent going forward for more families to receive compensation like this.
Alabama's good time law allows inmates who cooperate in prison to get released early on good time. It was an attempt to solve overcrowding in Alabama's prisons. However, in some cases, these inmates became repeat offenders. Authorities say that's what happened with the man accused of killing Deputy Brad Johnson, Austin Hall. Prior to Johnson's death, Hall was let out of prison after earning enough good time served. The Johnson family's lawsuit centered around Hall's release, calling it negligence. On Wednesday, Governor Kay Ivey announced she's sending $1 million to settle. Huntsville attorney Mark McDaniel says this could set a precedent for more families to receive compensation.
I think the law should be broader to where the governor's given even more discretion to give our officers who are injured and doing their jobs money like this. I mean, I think $1 million is just a minimal amount. I mean, I know it's the max amount she can give, but I think the law should be passed where they could get more than that.
Crimes committed by convicts out on good time have hit too close to home. Sergeant Nick Reisner was allegedly killed by a released inmate in 2021, but McDaniel believes this could also have an effect on families not related to police officers, like convicted triple murderer Jimmy Spencer, a suspect who McDaniel's firm defended.
That person was let out, and he really shouldn't have been let out.
Since the deaths of Spencer's victims, Reisner and Johnson, lawmakers have changed good time law to be more strict. McDaniel believes the stricter laws are helpful for violent offenders, but could make things worse for nonviolent offenders.
That can have an effect on people that could get paroled for something that's not a capital offense, but like a theft offense, possession of marijuana.
Well, I reached out to Governor Ivey's office to find out if this settlement was going to be the first of many, and a spokesperson said, quote, "We hope we never again see a tragedy like this." Reporting live in Huntsville, Matthew King, 48 on your side.